In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta Business Suite Planner. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. This ensures you land on the most up-to-date entry point, even if the interface has changed. Look for the official Meta or Facebook business result so you know you're accessing the legitimate dashboard, and consider bookmarking it for next time to save a step. Once you're on the correct page, click through to open the suite. You'll be prompted to log in using your Facebook or Instagram account. Use the account that manages your business assets. If you handle more than one brand or page, select the right business from the menu so the planner reflects the correct calendar. Inside the dashboard, find the left-hand sidebar and click Planner. This view is your content calendar for Facebook and Instagram, showing what's scheduled, what's published, and where you might have gaps. It's designed to centralize planning so you don't have to jump between apps. When you're ready to plan content, you have two easy options. Click the Create button in the top right corner to start a new post or story, or click directly on a specific date and time slot in the calendar to jump straight into scheduling for that moment. Either way opens the Composer, where you can add your media, write your caption, choose the platforms, and set your publish time. As you pick a time, keep an eye on Meta's active times suggestions. These are AI-calculated windows tailored to your audience, estimating when your followers are most likely to be online. Treat them as smart guidance to boost reach and engagement. If your audience spans time zones or you have campaign-specific needs, adjust accordingly. The goal is to match when your audience is actually paying attention. If you're not ready to publish, or you're waiting on approvals, save your work as a draft or choose to finish later. Drafts let you preserve your copy, media, and settings without pushing anything live. You can return to them from the planner or the publishing tools to finalize details, add tags, or drop in links before scheduling. To keep your strategy balanced, switch between week and month views using the toggle at the top right. The week view is great for fine-tuning timing and avoiding overlaps, while the month view gives you a big picture look at content density so you can spot gaps, cluster-related posts, and maintain a consistent cadence across both platforms. That's it. Search, sign in, open Planner, create or click a time, follow active times, save drafts when needed, and toggle views to stay organized.